It's Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards. I want to put a 5-ball runout, random runout, and in this session we're just going to throw the balls randomly anywhere. And if they go in a pocket, well, doesn't matter. We'll just take it out, throw it out again. Okay. This is the 5 balls. I got an 8 cue ball. Oh, I find it. There's a cue ball. Right here. Okay, so we're going to run these out. 8 ball goes last, just like in a regular runout. You see in all my videos. Let's see if I get this first. This ball right here. Side. Right here. So just easy run out. Try to make it as simple as possible. If you make it, you add a ball. We'll be 6 next time. Calling all the buttons, of course. Yeah. Right, so that's a simple way to do it. And you can do it in rotation also. You can do 1 to 3, 1 to whatever, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 8, 1 to 9. You know, that just makes it harder. That's by Tor Lowry. That's where I got the idea, the original idea, and I just expanded on it, made a variation of it, and this is it. All right. Hope you enjoy that. Have a great day, everybody, and see you in the next one.